Hello guys, my name is Kiki and it's time to make crafting fun. Today I want to show you how to make a simple sign. And I'm going to take this sign from Dollar Tree. And today we are not making a sign with handwriting or decals or stickers. I'm going to show you how to make a simple sign. But first I'm just removing this back part of the sign so I can make the back look cuter. So we're going to remove all of that. And then we're going to move on to making our beautiful sign. But as I told you, we're not going to use any handwriting or stickers or stencil or anything. I want to show you a quick and beautiful way to make a beautiful spring sign. So I will be just dealing with this and removing all of that back part of the sign. And then I'm going to take it and flip it over. And we're going to paint it using our ivory paint. And this is the image we're going to use. And here you can see I used wax. But this one is the ivory paint from Waverly. And we're going to paint that back part with that ivory paint. And as you can see, I'm just giving it a quick coat. Nothing too fancy. Just I want to show a little bit of that brown from the sign. So what I'm doing is I'm using my sponge brush and painting it lightly on top of that back part of the sign that now it's the front. So we're going to continue painting until we cover everything of our sign. So we keep on painting just like this. And this is part of the Esto es lo mío, or This Is My Thing collab that I'm hosting with my beautiful friend Maria from Yetra Khreacioness. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to her channel and also to the playlist so you can go and check out what everyone else created for this awesome challenge. Go and check her out and check out the playlist. We're going to continue painting until we cover everything from our sign. And as you can see, it's looking beautiful. And then we're going to let it dry really nicely. And we're going to come back with antique wax, a ruler, and a paintbrush, a smaller paintbrush, so we can make the look of shiplap. And look at this. Let me show you. I just discovered the most awesome way to make those lines. Look, they look so cute. So we're going to continue doing that and dividing our planks for our sign by using our ruler and our paintbrush. Just like that, we're going to make beautiful lines and they look so distressed and cute. So we're going to continue just doing that. And now I'm going to take the image and I'm going to cut it just using my scissors, just like that, until we have cut the image. And it's going to be a little bit hard, but in the description box down below, I'm going to leave you a link so you can find this image and lots of images, and you'll love it. So check out that because you're going to find lots of beauties that you can add to your signs. And I'm going to keep on cutting until I have cut all of my image. But don't worry about the insides of that paper because with the ivory paint, you won't be able to see it. So now I'm just finishing up cutting my image like this. And as you can see, it's a beautiful burlap like planter with a couple of flowers. And I think this is beautiful for spring. Just let me know in the comments below what you think about this beauty. As you can see, we're just finishing up and then we're going to bring back our sign and we're going to glue our image to our sign. And as you can see, you cannot see those white spots anymore. Now I'm just taking an Elmer's glue stick and I'm just rubbing it in the back of my image like this. And I want to show you completely so you can see how you can make beautiful and cute looking signs for any season or occasion without having beautiful handwriting or spending a lot of time making them. You're just going to rub that glue all around, and then you take back your sign and you're going to add it just like this. Looking cute, right? Let me know in the comments below what you think about this beautiful image. And also remember to check out the link that I'm going to leave you so you can go and check out the designs, bundles, website so you can print out lots of beautiful things. Now, I'm just going to take some words that I found at Google. Yeah, in Google. And then I'm going to cut them because I want to add the hello spring to it. And as you can see, I'm just cutting them. It's super easy. It takes a little bit of time, but you will have a beautiful letters and handwriting, and you can say you did it. No one has to know that you just print that out and stick it to your beautiful sign. And I'm just going to continue cutting like that. And now I'm just cutting the X's like this. So we can only have the letters that we need. And we will have the most beautiful hello. So I'm just going to continue cutting like this. And then I'm going to move on to gluing or sticking our sign to our letters to our sign. And as you can see, it's pretty easy, and this is my thing. I just love to make things easier or simpler while having a lot of fun. Have you seen that I've been laughing all around? So we're going to continue just cutting all of that, and then we're going to glue that to our sign. Let me show you. We have a beautiful hello. And then I remove that piece over there, and we are ready to glue it. Now I'm going to cut the spring. If you like modern farmhouse decor and lots of silly jokes, subscribe because that's what I do here. And hit the thumbs up and share this video with a friend because that really helps to support my channel. Also, go and check me out on my social media so we can be friends over there and have lots and lots of fun together. Now that I have my hello and my spring, I'm going to add a little bit of that glue stick. Glue on the back of those letters or words. And then we're going to glue that to the frame. You can add, if you want, the metal letter. Oh my goodness. Letters. From Dollar Tree to your sign if you prefer. But I just wanted to show you that you don't need to invest in anything to make a beautiful sign. You just have to download a free image and just glue it to your sign and make it look beautiful. And as you can see, I broke my letters. I was in a hurry, apparently. But I'm just gluing them like this, and no one will notice that they broke a little bit. So I'm just going to continue just gluing them, and look at that. They are looking so beautiful. Now I'm going to move on to adding the spring to my sign. And for that, I'm going to do the exact same thing. Just adding glue and then gluing those letters to my sign. And I didn't measure or did anything special. But if you want them to be like really cutesy straight, you just have to add your ruler to the bottom so you can straighten them. But look at that. They are looking so beautiful. And now I'm going to add the twine. To the twine piece on the top, and that will be it after I add the dot for the spring. And now I can add that twine to the top. Let's move on to that. I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to add that twine to the top just like this. Super easy and super cute. And we just add that over there, and we will have a beautiful sign. Let me cut the X's over here, and that's it. And look at this. I'm so in love with how this turned out. It looks so beautiful. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this. I'm in love with it. And remember that in the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to Maria's channel so you can go and check her out. I know you're going to love her. And also check out the playlist. Remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.